What's up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again today with another video. I almost couldn't even fall asleep last night because of an amazing Amazon product update that just hit me. I'm going to share that with you guys in a little bit in this video, but first I'm actually going to cover my last thoughts on the book, What Would the Rockefellers Do? And then I'm going to tell you my first impressions on the book by Gary Vee, Crushing It. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, I want to let you know, please do so. My channel is all about teaching you how to set up your own Amazon FBA business. That's Fulfillment by Amazon. Building a private label product brand, getting it into Amazon warehouses where they're going to use all their traffic and ship it out to customers all day, every day. So for instance, I'm literally waking up every day with sales on my phone, guys. It's an amazing feeling. And if you guys are interested, please subscribe to the channel. So first, I want to talk to you guys about What Would the Rockefellers Do? This book's by Garrett Gunderson. He's an entrepreneur and financial advocate. This book is kind of a little bit more over my head for the stage of the game that I'm in right now, but he really is talking about how to actually set up a insurance, which is whole life insurance, where you're paying really high premiums, but you're actually acting as your own bank. There's a ton of different tax advantages that you can have for this, and you can actually take out loans against yourself where when you're paying the interest back, it's actually going back in to your original insurance plan. And the cash value that you have in your insurance plan is staying steady the entire time, which is going to implement the compound effect. So you're not pulling money out, which would disrupt the compound effect and hinder the growth of your money over time. So this book had a lot of valuable information. It's about 175 pages. I pretty much recommend it to anyone who's in that stage of the game of investing and everything. But this book fit me a lot better, guys. In the first few chapters, I was already blown away because this is exactly what I'm trying to do right now. He's talking all about personal branding and the fact that anyone out there, you guys from behind your computer screen, have some kind of passion, something that you love, something that you get creative about, and no matter what it is, even if it's you and your son or something like to go chop things in half with samurai swords like Fruit Ninja, whatever it is, if you put it on YouTube, you guys can have a personal brand and you can start making money out of it. He's talking about how kids these days have so much opportunity, and the old days of where you have to go be in a career, you know, it's no longer having to do that. You can go set up anything that you're passionate about and start your own career online through YouTube and marketing and all these other wonderful things. So I'm going to keep you guys more updated as I progress my journey through this book. It's about 230 pages long. So I'm going to crank through this one, and I have a lot more. If you guys want to hear more about kind of these little book reports and book synopses that I'm trying to bring to you guys, just drop it in the comments. And if you have any other great book ideas, please also drop them in the comments below, because I'm really trying to expand my business library, and I'm going to read through every single book I get. And I'm not just going to read them, guys. I'm actually going to use them. That's what you guys have to think about as well. You don't just want to read one through one time and say, I finished it. You actually want to use what the book is talking about and really take action with those steps. The same thing goes for any course you ever take in your life. You don't just want to take the course, you want to use that course as a tool to progress you in whatever you're trying to do. So we're going to transition. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about my Amazon FBA product update that got me freaking hyped last night. So before I do that, I'll just let you know that the shipment is ready for UPS. It's going to be shipping out from my suppliers. It's going to arrive in the Amazon warehouses in about a week and a half, which sets me up perfectly, because what came in and what made me so excited after I saw them were my images for this product that's about to hit the warehouses in Amazon. The images, and I would recommend, here's a pro tip for you guys. If you're on Fiverr, look for 3D rendered photography, okay? They will take a rendered image of whatever product picture you want and just make it so pristinely perfect. The pixels, just everything stands out so good. And you guys can look at more examples of that, and I'll even lay some out in the video for you. But what these are going to do is separate you from your competitors just based on the perceived value of your product. When they look at these amazing images, they're going to click into your product and they're going to buy. If you have a great value and an offer on your product, which I'm especially doing, I'm offering a 4-pack of my product for $35, where a 1-pack of this product sells for $20 on its own. So I'm really giving a lot of value here. I was actually able to get a really low price because I'm working with the same supplier who's also helping me with my other products that are in my inventory for my entire beauty brand. So I was able to get this 4-pack of units for only $10 a unit. I bought 200 units to test out to see how fast they sell and everything. But with these images, I may have to be ordering again really soon because the average sales per month for this type of product are literally $400 at the low end and up to 2,000 sales a month at the high end. Now, I'm looking to also make a $15 profit if I sell for 35 bucks. Amazon fees are $10, my product cost is $10, and $15 should be left over for profit. So if I can find myself high on the first page, there's no doubt I'll be selling, 700 of these things a month. I wouldn't doubt it, especially with the images I have coming and the value that I'm providing. So this is going to be so crazy. It's my third product under this beauty brand, and I'm really trying to build it up to the point that I can literally flip this brand on a great website called Flippa, where Amazon sellers can actually sell the brands that they build up. I've seen them go, if you're making $3,000 a month in profit, you can go sell that brand for $80,000, $100,000 to someone who just wants to buy your brand right away. There's so many strategies that you guys can do with this private label business that it's absolutely unheard of. So another thing that kind of shook me up last night was I got an email from Amazon, and with the last batch of inventory I shipped in, they actually lost 13 of my units. So what Amazon is doing is trying to look through all their warehouses to see if they can locate these 13 units, and these units sell for $100 to $120. So that is a lot of money in there, about $1,300 in cash. And if Amazon cannot find them, they said they're actually going to reimburse me the cost that normal customers would be buying the product for. So that's a huge win right there too. Even if they lose my inventory, I'm still going to get $100 back in my account for each of the 13 lost items. And my product cost for that product was $45. And look, I'm selling it for $100 to $120 depending on which of the different listings that you buy from. So all the updates that I've been sharing with you guys are going to keep on flowing to you. You can look at my channel. It's got over 250 videos since I started last year in May. So about 16 months now, and I've literally cranked out a ton of videos. I've also revamped my YouTube channel to make the playlist a lot more easily accessible so you can find the really good tutorial videos and the tips and tricks videos and even the motivation and lifestyle videos. They're all right there for you guys. So please do subscribe like I said, and if you want to smash that thumbs up button, please go ahead and do so. That's going to be it for this one. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out. One last note I wanted to tell you guys is I'm actually getting some more inquiries about, me teaching people how to sell on Amazon, the mentorship and that kind of thing. If you guys didn't already know, I do have an Amazon course linked down below. It's got 65 videos, and there's 2 different levels that you guys can get my personal mentorship from. And with the personal mentorship, I'm literally giving out my phone number and really reaching into seeing how these people are performing. My students, I want to have them perform really well so that I can later bring them on my channel and do some kind of success stories and great stuff like that. So the mentorship does come along paired with the course, so you'll get all the learning that you need, and you'll have the mentorship on top of it personally from me. And if you guys do anything about what I did in the beginning, I bought an Amazon course, I learned how to sell on Amazon. Meanwhile, I started a YouTube channel and kind of had a link to that course down below, which you guys are able to do with my course as well. And you guys can actually make sales through the course and get commissions for every sale that you make. So you can make your money back that you spent on the course, and you can learn Amazon at the same time. It's a win-win, and it's a win over here too. So thanks a lot, guys. I'm going to see you later. Peace out.